this guy? I don't know. Jum Jum, are you sure this is the right way? Jum Jum, this better be the right way. Glitzabel got the peach. Jeannie took the eggs. I got glitter in my teeth. Taffy in my hair, and nothing but shame in a paper cup. Cried muffins. No, that's not it. No, that's not it. No, eh? Well, if it isn't the Pie Princess of Disappointment. Nadia Scorchfield, what are you doing here? I'm recruiting for a very special mission. Recruiting for what? Your galactic glitter grievance group? No, for revenge. Glitzabel, Jeannie, Captain Breadhook, Trissy. They're all chaos in heels, boots, and sequins, but they're also sloppy. They have weaknesses. Oh. Yeah, like kindness, sparkles, and annoying optimism. And they won't play with me! They think they've won, but I have a plan. That'll peel their pastry party apart. What's the plan, man? Pie catapult? Glitter trap reversal? A curse fondue fountain. Better we build the Looney Lord. What else you're expecting? Egads! Behold the Looney Lord 5000! It shines, it sparkles, it smells like cinnamon and mystery. They'll come running like space moths to the frame. And once they're inside, boom! No flavor, no fun, no escape! Yeah! No escape, no fun! Tomorrow, we launch the decoy peach from orbit. They'll track the scent. Jeannie will sense the golden egg illusion. Glitzabel won't be able to resist the glittering spotlight trap. No fun! And this time, when they dance, we get the curtain call! Oh my stars! I miss this! This is gonna be chaos flavored, delightful! Let the Looney games begin!